Got a great email from one of the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. She asked me how she can overcome her husband's insecurity about her starting an e-commerce business. Now, this is a big one, particularly for a lot of ladies, not just in Australia, but indeed right around the world. It's this perception that other people have about them starting a business. So in this video, ladies, this is for you. I want to give you some actionable tips to help you get to work and make things happen and empower yourself. Now, if you like this kind of information where I'm helping you build your own e-commerce business right here in Australia, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way I will know that you want to see more information just like this. Also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, post brand new money making information just like this. If you've got any questions or comments, comment below and I'll answer them personally for you too. With that being said, let me show you how to do this. She wants to start her own business, but her husband doesn't want her to do that. Her husband is insecure about her doing that. How to overcome that? I would love your insights. I would love your feedback. I'm also going to be called to read some things off here. Cass says, that's hard because it depends on why he is insecure. You need to find out why he is concerned and address those issues. Okay, so you've got to talk to your hubby and say, what's going on? What is it you're concerned about it? What are you worried about? And then work within those. Okay, Virginia, convince him he will have no financial liability for the business, i.e. keep all your financials separate from family and shared funds. That's a cool idea. So have a budget, you know, whatever it may be, and say, this is the budget for the business. We won't touch anything else. Let's see how much money we can turn this money into. Kind of cool. Very, very cool book here. So Ready, Fire, Aim. That's a very, very cool book. That's by a guy called Michael Masterson from memory. I read that ages ago. Very, very cool book. And How to Get Rich by Felix Dennis. Also super, super cool book. Adam says, don't ask for permission. Build momentum. Rebecca, I've just done it anyway. But talk to him about what you're doing and how he's doing it. See if he has it. So involve him in the process. See what ideas he has. Pauline offers the same stuff. Dave Jackson says, just start the journey. Every journey starts with the first step. Very, very true. Maria, I don't think it's for you to overcome his insecurity. It's his insecurity. So he needs to understand why, trust and things like that. And then you can address that. Cool. Dave O. Jackson, another book, Who Moved My Cheese? That's also a great, great book. That's a management book from memory. Very, very cool. Hayden, ask him about his relationship with money and find ways to reassure or solutions to his insecurities. Very, very cool. I wonder if there are some cultural things around women being entrepreneurs as well at play. I know that not all cultures are supportive of women being entrepreneurs. Some cultures deem that to be a male environment and don't look kindly upon females empowering themselves through entrepreneurship. For instance, I wonder if there's some of that going on, which is something that's a whole different discussion, of course. I wonder if that's going on. But that's great. That's really good insights, guys. Thanks so much for that. Hey, thanks so much for watching that. That actually was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. There's 2,500 members in our community. We're the fastest growing community of professional e-commerce sellers right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, and also, of course, come and join us, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. That link is in the description below, and I will see you on the next video. Until then, thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.